Hello, hello. This is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Today we are doing a birthday manicure for Nailed It by Nikki P. Nikki, we hope you have a great birthday. We are going to jump right in, ladies. If you're doing a mani for Nikki, let me know so I can watch too. So leave me a comment down below. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell. I'll have that throughout the video pop up every now and again. We've got Harley Marie with us today. Take a bow. She is sporting a lovely, lovely neon pink. Nikki's favorite color, or one of them, is pink. We're using products today by Princess Nails by Diana, who is a dear, close, and special friend of mine, my sis. So we have used the base coat already, cured for 30. We have her neon pink Princess Nails by Diana, her polish, which is beautiful. As you can see on the nails, we've already got one coat on. We've cured it for 30. And we are going to go in for our second coat. I hope everybody is having a great day so far. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's going on in your part of the woods. Whoops. Gonna get polish all over me already. We just started. This is a beautiful, beautiful polish. Normally I would say put white down first. This time I am not. I just want the normal pink color. Just a beautiful, beautiful pink. I do love this color. I think it is just, I think she did an amazing job with her line. Oh, almost had Harley dipping down. Can't have her falling now. Can't have her falling. Don't forget to cap the end of your nails. Everybody should visit Nikki's page today. Look her up here and on Instagram. Instagram, Nailed It by Nikki P. Wish her a happy birthday. Really, these sit for just a minute. Let them self-level, which they do. No do. Just they do. So we are going to pop these in. I'm going to cure this layer for 60, and I will be alright. We are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. Put the cigarette out. I think that is a beautiful, beautiful pink. Harley does too. Hopefully Nikki likes it. Well, I know she does. She has the same color. I'm putting on top a topper. It's by Modelones. It's a mini from the fashion collection. And this is Ice Bar. I think this is beautiful. You can even wear this on I can't talk. On its own. Or you can, where you layer it up like 3 or 4 times. Maybe not that many. 3. Harley says, hold my hand, Mama. Hold my hand. Don't let my fingers flop about. If you are new, I did ask you to subscribe already, but I also have I upload 3 times a week. I do a She Modern Saturday. This is just beautiful. I do a video on Thursday as well. It could be a review, an unboxing, a haul, nail art, a manicure. It's hard to say what Thursday is going to be. It's random. And then earlier in the week, Monday or Tuesday, I do a docuseries for acrylics. So please check me out. We're going to pop Harley in the lamp for 30 seconds. We're going to cure that layer, and then we are going to put on some bling. Nikki loves the bling. So we are going to try and bling these nails out the best of my ability with what I own, and hopefully she approves. I'm sure she will. She loves her bling. So now we're going to need our no wipe top coat on a regular hand, because I'm working on Harley, who's, stationary. She don't go nowhere. She don't do nothing. She just hangs out all day with me. Using a no wipe top coat is good to hold your gems, your rhinestones, your Swarovskis. That's okay. But in the real world, I think some glue would be called for. So keep that in mind when you're doing your own nails at home. Ouch. So we're just going to go. Oh, I can't even get this open. This isn't good. Oh, buddy. Oh, I got it. I got it. That hurt. That was on there. Ding. We have got some bling here. Move Harley over. I know we're going to be using some out of here, so let's put some of these on first. So we can open them the right way. These are like some squiggly wigglies. I'll put these on the thumbnail. Tap the end. There we go on that. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm going to flash cure this one so they don't slide around on me. Let's see what other little ones we're going to put on the nails. What do you think, ladies? What do you think? Okay, Harley is back. Let me take a gander here. I think that's so pretty. Can you see? What do you think? I'm going to pause this while I make up my mind. Alrighty, I think I've made up my mind for now. I got a little bunch of little ones all over the place here. And I have a diamond that I'm going to place on the ring finger. And we're going to go from there. Well, I wish I could see better. Yeah, where'd it go? It went somewhere, but not on the nail. I think these are just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There ain't nothing like a pink mani, huh? What do you think, ladies? Give me some feedback down below. Wow, my phone's just really going. Sorry about this. Answer this text message really quick. I'm really sorry, everybody. Don't normally do that while I'm on camera here. Whoops. Whoopsie. After this nail, I'm going to give a cure. Whoa. Says they are sliding around a little bit on me. Okay, whoops. My diamonds have moved. Whoops. Oh man. Okay. We're gonna stick this in real quick. Do this little flash cure, add us some more diamonds. I'm gonna pause this real quick. I'm sorry, Nikki. I'm sorry to do this to everybody else, but this text message that's coming through is important, and I do need to answer it. So, ladies, please hold on. Alrighty, we are back, and I deeply, deeply apologize for that, ladies. I don't normally have my phone going off while I'm filming. So, what do we think so far of our mani? Nikki, I hope you approve, honey. Let me know what you think. Okay. Let me see. We got 2 nails left to do. I feel like I'm getting low on top coat. It just can't be. Let me see. What are we going to put on this baby? I don't know. I know I'm wasting a lot of time, aren't I? I don't mean to, and I'm very sorry. Try not to make this a long video, but sometimes it just happens. Sometimes it just happens. Okay, we got the index finger left to do. Top coat, good tips. Don't forget. Don't forget. Bling a ding a ding. Oh. Having trouble seeing my bling. And then I drop it. There, now we can fit one more. Let's gotta get one more to turn over. What do you think? Let me see if I can get some tiny ones. Oh, there goes the phone again. Hold that up there so it doesn't fall or slide down. There. I'm going to cure this again and I will be right back. Okay, we are back. Our last and final time. I've cured this. I think I've taken care of the phone for a few minutes. Happy birthday, Nikki. Hope you like the bling. I think these turned out really cool. I've never... Aw. These slid. Oh, what a bummer. I've never done bling this much on nails before, especially like this one. This is pretty. I like this. Hope you like it. Hope you approve. Hope you have a great, great birthday. I really, really, truly do. Hope you have a blessed day. Take care of yourself and those around you. And the show is come to an end. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe.